PPK Pharma Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about definition of latent heat, vapor pressure, Newton mixture, and sublimation. These may ask for 2 marks. A combination of two questions they may ask for 5 marks. Before going to this video, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial, through which you can get the material for B Pharmacy 3rd semester physical pharmaceutics. Next, like this video, share this video to your friends. Now we'll go into this video, that is what is latent heat. When there is a change in the states of material occurs, the temperature usually remains constant but heat is absorbed. That means when there is a change in the state of material, there will be a change in material state from liquid to solid, or solid to liquid, or liquid to gas. When there is a change in state, the temperature usually remains constant. That means the temperature around that will be constant but the heat is absorbed. This heat result in the change of matter. That means due to this heat absorbed, there will be a change in the material state without increasing temperature, which is known as latent heat. That means latent heat is nothing but generally state of material will be changed, and at this latent heat the temperature will be remains constant and heat will be absorbed. This heat is known as latent heat. When this heat result in solid to liquid is known as latent heat of fusion. Okay, that means for ice converts into water, the constant temperature 0 degrees but heat is absorbed, and water converts into vapor, the temperature is constant temperature 100 degrees Celsius. This temperature is called latent heat temperature. Next, vapor pressure. When liquid is kept in a closed evacuated container, that means if I assume that there is a liquid in a closed container, evacuated container, molecule from its surface continue live and go into the free space above it. That means molecules, the water droplets from its surface, that means surface of the liquid, water droplets will be continuously live and go into free space above it, which is known as vaporization. Next, this vaporization is used in our daily life also. The vapor is then said to be saturated and the vapor pressure of the depends on this temperature. That means if there is a liquid in a closed container and molecules from the liquid goes up free into above space, which is known as vaporization, the vapor then is said to be saturated. That means vapor is saturated, and vapor pressure of liquid purely depends on the temperature. As the temperature increases, more of the liquid goes into the vapor state and the vapor pressure increases. That means if temperature increases, vapor pressure also will be increased. Okay, next, sublimation. Many of us know the what is sublimation. Sublimation is the process of transformation of solid state directly into the vapor phase without passing into the intermediate liquid phase. That means solid particle or substance will be directly converted into vapor phase without going liquid. Generally, solid will be converted into liquid, liquid will be converted into gas. But here, solid will be directly converted into vapor phase. Example of sublimation is camphor, menthol, naphthalene. These are the examples of sublimation. Now we will see. Here is a graph which contains x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we took temperature, where y-axis we took pressure, and x0 is the minimum pressure and temperature, minimum point. Then we have triple point, that's a combination of point, it's called O, A, B, C. There is a 3 lines. Okay, AO, which is known as melting point of the solid phase. Solid will be converted into liquid through melting, no? Through melting process. That melting point is called AO. That means solid will be converted into liquid. Then AO is known as melting phase, and BO is known vapor pressure of the liquid. Liquid will be again converted into vapor. This is general procedure. Liquid will be converted to vapor or gas. So BO is known as vapor pressure, and CO, vapor pressure of the solid. This CO is known as vapor pressure of the solid. vapor will be converted into solids through condensation process. Okay, through condensation vapor will be converted into solid. So the CO is known as vapor pressure of the solid. Let's consider point x naught. See this point x naught below the triple point. That means here we have triple point, so this will be below the triple point where the substance is present in the form of solid. If assume that here in this point there is substance which is in the solid state, which is present below the triple point. Okay, if heat is supplied or applied to that particular substance which is in this point x naught, at this point it will directly convert into vapor phase without converting into liquid phase. This is known as sublimation. This is the basic theory why some liquids goes, some solids first will be solid, will be converted to liquid will be vapor, some substances. But some substances like camphor, menthol, naphthalene will convert directly solid to vapor. This is the basic thing because they are present in the, their point is present below the triple point. That means they don't have minimum temperature and pressure as other substances. They have very less pressure and temperature. This is the reason, and this is a process of sublimation. Okay, this is a process of sublimation. Next, eutectic mixtures. Eutectic mixtures are certain substances when mixed in a particular proportion, they tend to liquefy due to reduction in their respective melting points. Mixture of this substance is called eutectic mixture. That means simply we can say eutectic mixtures are the mix when though are nothing but they are a substance when mixed in a particular proportion. That means when the let's assume that there is a two substances which are mixed in a two proportions. That means they are mixed in a particular proportions. They tend to liquefy by mixing this powder substance. By mixing these two substances, they will be due to reduction in their respective melting points. By mixing this, the melting point of one substance will be reduced by other substance. Okay, presence of other substance. Due to this reason, they will be liquefied. That means they will be converted into liquid state. That means melting point mixture. Respective melting point mixture of the substance is called. That means the melting point will be decreased. Reduction in the melting point and mixture of these substances. That means the mixing of these substances is called eutectic mixture. Okay, now we'll see in detail. There is an eutectic mixture composition means there is a combination of two solid A and solid B, that means powder form. Solid A plus solution. On x-axis we took composition, on y-axis we took temperature. Here we have two solids, solid A and solid B. The presence of solid B in solid A will decrease the melting point of solid A, and by combination or presence of solid A in solid B will decrease the melting point of B. Okay, this is the reason, as I said before above also, eutectic mixture means certain substances are mixed in a particular proportion. That means due to the presence of one substance will reduce the melting point of others. Due to this they will tend to liquefy. This is eutectic mixture. In pharmaceuticals, eutectic mixtures is very difficult to dispense. That means in pharmaceutical practice, in our daily use of pharmaceutical preparation, eutectic mixture will be very difficult to dispense. Let me prepare or dispense it. So we must separate each ingredient and mix them with inert diluents. That means before mixing the two substances which are in eutectic nature, they should be mixed with inert diluents. They should be mixed with inert diluents like starch, magnesium oxide, kaolin and magnesium carbonate. We need to mix with these with separately with the both substances, and then we need to mix, but through this we can escape the eutectic mixture problem. Eutectic mixture is one of the biggest problem, is one of the problem. So this can be overcome by mixing with inert diluents. This is the overall eutectic mixture, sublimation, vapor pressure and latent heat. If you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Thanks for watching this video up to last and visiting our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Thank you all. Bharat Mata ki Jai.